Welcome back to Android YK. In today's video, we'll explore 3 dangerous options in mobile settings that can put your phone at risk if turned on. Let's start with developer mode and USB debugging. This setting is designed for developers to test apps and make system changes. However, if it's turned on for regular use, it exposes your phone to vulnerabilities. Hackers or malicious software can gain access to sensitive data or control your device without your permission. Always make sure to disable it once you're done using it. Next is unknown sources installation. Enabling this feature allows apps to be installed from third-party websites instead of the official App Store. While it might seem harmless, this opens the door for malicious apps that can damage your device, steal personal information, or even lock you out of your phone. Always be cautious when installing apps from unknown sources and stick to trusted platforms. Lastly, we have location services always on. Keeping this feature on constantly lets apps track your location in real time, which drains your battery faster and raises privacy concerns. Some apps may misuse your location data, and in some cases, it can even be shared without your knowledge. To keep your phone safe, remember to manage these settings carefully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Android YK for more helpful tips on mobile safety and troubleshooting.